this issue again. But the Party members, whether you say they're attached to the GMP or not, people perceive them to be, the split in that party isn't helpful, is it? I say that at the moment, who takes on Obama?
You know, you've got the major Republican presidential candidates who, if they had their way, would have brought the country to default. That's not going to be a very popular thing for them to run on. I think it's going to be tough for them to go into a campaign one-on-one against President Obama, who is telling the American people, I want solutions, I want jobs, I've been moving this economy forward to, disaster. And that's not going to fly.
I think the candidate...
63 and 21 and 23-1.
Well, quite frankly, my own view is that President Obama has demonstrated himself to be, first of all, he's not so ideologically defined. He virtually understands nothing about income distribution, and he's incompetent at even doing that. To the frustration.
I'm getting your feelings. Let me stop you. I get your feelings about the president. It's obvious.
That's enough.
What is the answer to my question, which is, which of all the candidates right now
Yeah, perfect.
ideologically between the Michelle Bachmann end of things
All right, Big Hammer.
and the Mitt Romney end of things? Which of the candidates who've declared an interest so far do you think can beat the president? What's your personal opinion?
All of the above. The fact of the matter is, politics in America has changed. And it's now about principles, objectives, goals, and policies, not about narrow-minded, short-sighted,
right.